All right, let's start with some observations. The tempo marking is moderato. I chose to take it at a faster tempo simply because I think it sounds better that way. But if you need to do it slower at a more moderate tempo, please do, in order to deal with the other thing I want to talk about, which is the articulation. We've got all these 16th notes and a few 8th notes that have slur marks over them and staccato marks over them. So staccato means separated, the slur means connected, so it's sort of somewhere in between the two. We don't want to hear da 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 da. So it's da 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 da. The way I like to approach that is to think about it as the airflow is constant and the tongue is simply interrupting the airflow. I often use the analogy of the pop-up sprinklers. The water is constant and there's just that little swiveling gadget thing that interrupts the water flow. And you're going to use a very light tongue. You don't want it to be super heavy. No. Da 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 da. There are no other really major finger issues in this particular etude. You just need to make sure that you know your D major scale. And one thing that I would suggest is doing an extended D major scale before you play this etude. You should already know your D major scale. If you don't, you should practice it fully extended range until you feel comfortable with it. Here, I'll show you what I mean. So practice this extended scale just a few times before you play the etude and keep the key signature in your head and you should be fine. All right, that's it for now. Like and subscribe for more content just like this.